Sungreat Energy Technology Company, Limited, established in 2008, is a leading provider of solar and LED lighting solutions. Sungreat Energy Company stands at the forefront of sustainable technology as a premier manufacturer of solar panels, CCTV cameras, solar lithium batteries, solar charger controllers, and various other energy solutions. Our expertise lies in advancing renewable energy systems, combining innovation with a commitment to environmental stewardship. Our cutting-edge technology leads to improved efficiency and effectiveness in energy generation and storage. We invest in continual research and development to stay ahead in the renewable energy sector, adapting our products to meet the latest advancements. With over 15 years of experience, the company has grown into an international enterprise with a turnover exceeding $1,000 million in 2024. The company operates a 25,000 square meter factory staffed by over 500 employees worldwide. Sungreat Energy emphasizes continuous innovation, aiming to design new products every 3 to 4 months to meet market demands. Their ambitious goal is to become one of the top 3 solar and lighting companies globally. Strong international presence, with offices in the USA, Pakistan, the Philippines, and Nigeria, Peru, Chile, Indonesia, Malaysia, Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, and Senegal. The company's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction is reflected in its professional team, military-style management, and a focus on providing suitable proposals, training, and after-sales services to clients worldwide. For more information, visit our website www.sungreatenergy.com.